Hey guys, this is the new features in iClone and Character Creator. This is what we call the AI Studio. I already put all the official tutorials together in my website. You can just go to my video description link and click into freedom3d.art/software/AI Studio. Alright, so now totally three of them, three tutorials. You can just right click, open in a new tab, and these are the official tutorials, the YouTube video from the official Reallusion channel. I just embedded it into my website. You can just directly view from there. These are really useful, and the AI Studio is something new 3 days ago. It is really something new. I have to just figure it out, everything step by step. Start from now. It is something that really revolutionary. It is the combination between the 3D animations and the AI. We can just use the 3D to just make the animation template in 3D in iClone, and then use the AI to just make it a video, to make it an AI character. It is really easy. So now we just learn from the official tutorial first. The three tutorials that I already put a link at the video description. Learn from there first, all the basic, all the GUI, all the methodology, and next time you may just figure it out how to use it, how to use the prompt, how to generate the AI image to 3D, and also from the image to video. All of these tutorials, just learn it one by one first, and see you in my next video.